Hello, this is Heidi Cat Livingston, aka Cat. I like Cat, and Cat Livingston's such a cool name. Welcome to Conscious Mindset Reset. This page, group, channel, whatever, has gone through several transformations as I've been just trying to figure out what do I want to share, how can I best serve, and then I kind of lost my joy for it totally for a while because I love crystals and making jewelry, and that's my joy and passion. But I know that I have been through so much, and I know I can really help other people. So that has been the transformational part, where I can help other people transform and learn to be healthier and live their best life and have body acceptance and release body shame and really learn to love their authentic self and not the fear-based patterns and beliefs that are even just saturating our whole world and society. I've been over 300 pounds and I've lost over 200 pounds and kept that off for over 10 years. And I had bariatric surgery back in 2007. I became a dietitian through part of that journey. And what's interesting about 2021 is I've had so many health challenges and illnesses and weight loss beyond what I wanted, to the point where I lost so much weight that I just didn't even feel attractive. I didn't feel beautiful. I had to cut my hair because I lost so much hair. It's been a hard year. And I've been guided to share that because in that vulnerability is where so many other people feel. And I understand that because I've been on both sides. And releasing body shame about being too skinny has been about the same as releasing body shame for being obese and morbidly obese. Especially losing my boobs. These babies used to be double D's. That's okay. I'm gaining weight. I've gained 3 pounds already. So I'm in a particular niche where I can help others get out of that body shame, but also become healthier. And I am not gonna lie or candy coat any of it, honey. People, you gotta eat more veggies. So I truly believe in healthy keto and intermittent fasting. It works. It works really well. I've done so much research and furthering my own education when it comes to gut health, the mechanisms of weight loss and how we lose and how we gain. And so I know how to do it, right? I've just learned so much, and I know that I've been very effective in helping so many other people lose weight, get rid of type 2 diabetes, get rid of hypertension, help chronic inflammation, systemically, gout, improve brain health, especially improving gut health. That is something I specialize in myself. Learning how to eat correctly to really sustain your life and really have improved longevity, but also improved energy, getting rid of that brain fog thing, so many different things, but it does involve eating a lot more vegetables. And when I tell people to aim for 2 to 4 cups of vegetables at lunch and 2 to 4 cups at dinner, they're like, what? That's just insane. I just had a consultation with a family member this weekend. She's like, I held off because I knew that you were going to tell me I have to eat more veggies. And I'm like, yeah, a cup of vegetables at dinner does not cut it. So, and all the studies have just shown that the people who live the longest, who have the less diseases, period, blue zones, they eat about 9 servings of vegetables a day, and half of our intake is supposed to be from fruits and vegetables. And out of that half, 3/4 veggies and only 1/4 fruit. So anybody trying to really lose weight, I'm usually like no more than 2 servings of fruit a day, and try to keep them earlier in the day, especially towards morning. That's great. You burn them off towards the end of the day, because vegetables are free, full of so much fiber, vitamins, nutrients that we need. So when people start eating more vegetables, they start feeling better. Their GI issues resolve, diabetes resolve. So I am a big believer in using ketogenic principles with a lot of vegetables and doing some intermittent fasting as well. So I hope that helps you have an understanding of what I do, how I do it, and why I do it. And I hope this finds you well and you have a wonderful day.